little bit more altitude. Bam. And there's our nice high quality marina. Let's hit that 2X. Those gorgeous boats at the marina. And a nice little bam restaurant right there. As you can see. Look at this gorgeous area. Look at this beautiful area, people. And right now is spring break. But it is early before the spring breakers get out here and do their dang on thing. I'll pop on in. Got us a boat out there already doing this thing. Pop on now. We're gonna hit that 3X. There we go. Pop up out of that boy. Let's go do some exploring. So we do have a NEEWER CPL ND filter on. And that water looks amazing. Looking on up to 300 feet. The water looks amazing. Right. Looks like not too much to see on the right hand side. Back again. This is part 2. I was on the other side and I could not fly all the way over here to reach the arena. Marina, I mean. Get that auto exposure locked. Now let's go do what's exploring on this side of the world. Like there's a dead end over there. So we're gonna go. This way. We're going to hit that sports mode. That sports mode. Feel like we got a little interference with a remote. It's acting like you want to lose signal already. We ain't even 2,000 feet away. Come on. Don't do us like that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Can you believe this is Canyon, Texas? This is Texas. Let's hit that 3X. Get on up. Look at that. Look at that view. That view. Goes home right off the water. Beautiful, 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 baby. Go on, bust up out of there and get back to that right here. Force mode, we doing about 38, 39 miles per hour. What we're gonna do is put those loud over here. Just a quick little fly over. Bring the gimbal back on up. There we go. Water one more again. Put it on down. And there we go. Looks like we got a little interference coming in and out on this remote. About 8,000 feet out. As much as we can explore. That's nice. Look down, look at that. Look over there, look at that. Look like an ocean on it. Don't even look like a lake. There's a big signal. Let's go and turn it a little bit. There we go. Signal. Yeah, we're going to have to turn this board around. Beautiful sight right there. Beautiful sight. Out.
Max altitude reached.
Got that weak transmission. See if we can get it back before it does return to home for us. Do it. Just let her still float. There we go. Come on. Don't kill her. Don't kill the vibe yet. And it's gonna do us a return to home. We lost signal, people.
Return to home. Max altitude reached.
But we not gonna fret none. Cause we know we got that Air 3S and a nice high quality return home. It's gonna make it on back to us. Look at it. So it looks like trying to get that signal back. But I can tilt the gimbal.
Wifey red heart card suit.
Can't tip that gimbal a little bit so we can get a little touristy action going on. Okay, we got signal back now. Yeah, we back in business. So let's take on over. We're gonna fly back to the marina. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. We can go and fly over this. We'll fly over. Beautiful scenery, people. Looks like there was a signal again. We're gonna pop on up. Let's take a look-see. Let's take a little look-see since the signal don't want to work right with us. It's beautiful, people, beautiful. Make it on over there to this little island by itself. Oh, it's not gonna let us make it there. We're gonna turn on around. We're gonna turn on around. Alright, for some reason, it's piss poor. I ain't never seen it like this. But, took us a quick little tour.
Max altitude reached.
Seen us some beautiful, beautiful scenery. And now it's time to return to home. Alright. We got 29% battery left. So yeah. We flew out, we took a beating by the wind. Killed our battery. Luckily, it was a return to home. As you can see, 29 seconds, so got some pretty good footage. seconds, people.
Landing.
And yes, it's gonna land in the back of the truck. And bam, there you go. Another beautiful landing. But this is like I always say, people, just go out, forget all the fancy smancy. Yes, we testing the CPL, but we don't really need it. Forget all the fancy smancy stuff. Just get out there and fly the damn drone safely and have fun. It's your boy, the Drone Dreamer. Peace. Till the next episode, people.